today I wanted to share with you this really easy, voluminous ballerina bun. What you're going to love most about this hairstyle is you can easily transform it from day to night. I used a new and unique hair tool that I think you guys are going to love, and it allows you to easily create buns, and when you remove it, it will leave you with beach waves, curls, or if you have really long hair like me, it'll leave you with this really pretty like faux blowout, and you can see on my ends here, it just made them really soft and gave them a really natural curl. I just love that this hair accessory doubled as a hair tool. I love the idea of a long day at work, you take your hair out, your hair is already done, and you can head out the door with your girlfriend. And a big shout out to Conair for partnering with me for this video, and a big thank you to you guys for your continuous support and making brand collaborations like this possible. So you guys ready to see what this hair tool is? I'm going to turn around and let's get started. So the new hair tool is Conair's Bun to Done styling tool, and it has 6 heated hair wands. So when you style your hair into a bun, they'll actually create curls or waves depending on your hair's length. First step, part your hair as normal and then place your finger on your part about an inch back from your face. And then you just want to draw a line straight down to the top of your ear. And then you just want to section this hair off from the rest, so I just placed it in front of my shoulder. And then repeat the same steps on the other side and just place that section out of the way for now. Then to help create some volume in this hairstyle, I like to place my thumbs just behind my ears, and I'm tracing straight across, just grabbing that top layer of hair. Once you have that top layer, you just want to section it off from the rest, so it should look similar to this. Now, with that top layer, I'm just going to quickly smooth it out, and then you just want to secure tightly with a hair elastic just above the nape of your neck. Then just anchor your ponytail with one hand and pull up on small sections of hair around the crown of your head. This is going to add volume into your hairstyle without having to tease your hair. So you can see what a difference this step makes, and if you'd like a smoother finish, you could just use the end of a comb instead of your fingers. And then gather all of the remaining hair, leaving out those side sections into a low ponytail. I'm going to be using one of the longer rollers to create a single bun, but you could create so many different looks since there are multiple wands, or just use them to create curls as you're getting ready. So I'm just placing my curler on top of my ponytail at my ends, and I'm ensuring that they are completely wrapped around it. And then I'm going to slowly roll the roller up my ponytail, making sure to keep everything nice and tight. And you want to ensure that the curler is fully covered. That way all of your hair gets evenly heated and curled. Once all of my hair is wrapped tightly, I'm just going to take the ends of my roller and they just easily clip together. Then just fan your bun around the curler to cover it, and this curler also comes in a brown color for you brunettes. Now I'm just going to secure my bun to my head with some bobby pins, and I like to pin around the perimeter of my bun by hooking some hair from my bun with a bobby pin and then sliding them underneath the bun towards the center. I can't get over how big my ballerina bun is. I think it looks so cool. Then to finish off the look, just grab your right section from earlier and softly drape it over your ear and then over top of your bun. This will also help hide any bobby pins, and then you just want to pin this into place on the underside of your bun. Then repeat the same steps on the left side and feel free to braid or twist these side sections. Once pinned into place, if your ends are still showing, just tuck them underneath your bun and pin them out of sight. So there you have you guys, that's how to recreate this really easy and elegant ballerina bun. I just love how this hairstyle turned out. It's so quick and easy to do. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it as well. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you do end up recreating this hairstyle at home or using it as inspiration, don't forget to share it with me on social media. But all the product details about the Bun to Done will be listed down below, so if you want to try this out for the holidays or maybe get it as a gift for somebody, it is going to be a QVC exclusive for the pre-holiday season, but after that it'll be widely available for 2018, so keep your eyes open. But thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!